Look at the carvings there. Wow. Fancy.
Namaste.
Namaste. Look at the hotel. There. Good morning, it's 5:09 and we will be going to the railway station to catch the 6 a.m. train bound for New Delhi. 5:30 and we've made it here at the railway station. A lot of people who probably slept here. I see a lot of them lying on the ground and you will see them there. We're going up the stairs again and have to carry my luggage. That is very busy. Okay, I made it. It was platform 1 where we came from and we have to go to platform 2. So this is how the train looks like and it's a double-decker. We're going inside the train. We are actually in the middle. There's a lower deck and an upper deck. Alright, this is my seat. It's exactly 6 in the morning and the train just started moving. So I also noticed that there are front-facing seats and there are also back-facing seats. It's 10:16 in the morning. We have arrived at the train station. Now we're going to alight. Welcome back to Delhi. So this is gonna be the last day of the tour. And actually, we just have free time today. And we're gonna bid goodbye to our tour mates. So me and my relatives booked a different hotel for our last night here at Delhi. (11:44), we have just been dropped off here at the police station Jama Masjid. And the hotel staff fetched us. They will be carrying our luggages because we have to walk around 150 meters to this old hotel. So this hotel is called Haveli Dharampura and it's 200 years old. So we are expecting to really see a very old, like heritage-like structure. Now we are walking on a very narrow street. You will see a lot of stores, a lot of shops here selling different things. So I believe they actually arranged the pickup, the taxi pickup from our old hotel. And this is quite a busy street. Road repairs being done. Yeah, you can see the street is very narrow and it wouldn't fit the auto rickshaw. So you can probably just fit like motorbikes and bicycles here. And I think we have reached the entrance of Haveli Dharampura Hotel. Oh, there it is. I can see it now. Oops. Yeah, that's the hotel back there. Look at the carvings there. Namaste. Oh. Wow. Fancy.
Namaste.
Namaste. Look at the hotel. There. There's a small courtyard here at the middle of the hotel. And look at the architecture. Look at the details. It feels fancy.
Tika lang, sir. Tika and garlic, please. Namaste, welcome to Haveli. Thank you. Thanks. Namaste. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Namaste. We are now leaving this room, like holding room or waiting room. And we are about to go to our hotel room. Wow, it looks so nice. So this is one of the rooms. And now we're going to another room just to check it out. It's like we've been transported to another part of India.
Probably around noon. What's checkout time?
This is room 107. It's a twin room. And we have 2 single beds. And we have a toilet. And a shower area. Alright, I have made it here to the Delhi airport, and it was just a quick ride from Aerocity to the airport, and then I walked for maybe around 10 minutes to the departure area, and afterwards I had to go through immigration and the security checks, and I had a blooper at the security checks. I forgot that I had these like tools for my gimbal, so they confiscated these tools, so I need to buy those tools. I don't know where to get them. But yeah, it's been so far a smooth experience. The security, I know this is very, very tight. They are really inspecting everything, and so it's best because the passengers will be safe. Alright, I shopped something here, and I noticed the prices are relatively cheaper compared to Changi Airport. But if you use your card, I'm not sure if it's gonna be the same. So I just look for something that has a promotion, and that's the one I bought. Delhi Airport is really nice. It's very spacious. There's a lot of shops, a lot of options as well. There are also like food options here, and the duty free is relatively cheap. So I still have a lot of time. It's only 8:15. My flight departs at 9:55. So I will just roam around the airport, see what I can do here, or maybe what I can buy, and or maybe have some dinner if I see something that passes my taste. It's 8:40 p.m. and I'm just waiting to board the flight. I'll see you on my next trip.